I'm okay.
Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby.
Easy boy, easy boy. What are these flies following me? Yeah. Where are you going? Starting to get the hang of this thing. Starting to. I get a little confused how it's left and right. Woo! Ooh, don't want to chop off my face. Ah! Jesus. Alright, so we're face forward with the devil himself. Alright, here we go. Ah! Okay. Come here. Okay, this drone think is gonna get me. I'm the master. Return. So return. Return. Come on. Oh crap! Ugh. The drone's the master. I just want to give a quick and big shout out to all of my patrons on Patreon, Subscribestar, OnlyFans, No Nudes, Throne, and Cameo. And I hope everyone who subscribed and any future subscribers join my fandom on all of my subscription services because you get more of me.